Today we see top 5 logo making apps that can make your logo looks professional. So let's see. Number 5 is Logo Maker. This app is easy to use, not required any skills to make logo. Every type of logos available in here. You can customize the whole logo as you like. There is a lot of variety in this app. Let's check the pros and cons of app. The pros are, it's simple to use for anyone. The cons are, it has lot of advertisement in app. However, you can try this app available in Play Store. Number 4 is Logo Esport Maker. This app is for esport players. You can make a great gaming logo with lot of customization. Any cool looking logo can be made in here. Lots of icons and templates can be used and many more. The pros are, best gaming logos can be made without any efforts. The cons are, it can be used only for gaming. You can download it from Play Store for free. Number 3 is Designevo. This app is having all types of categories as you can see. It is minimalistic with some customization. Enjoyed the video so far? Make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and turn the bell icon on all to receive our new video notification. Smash the like button and share this video. It really motivates me to make awesome stuff for you. Follow on all the social media for all the latest updates. The pros are, it is simple to use. The cons are, it has minimum free logos. You can get the app in Play Store. Number 2 is Canva app. This app is the most popular for creating good logos, thumbnail and also used to edit Instagram, Facebook or any other post that you want to publish in any platforms. It requires no expertise and relatively easy to use. The pros are, the best app for all the platform for editing and also easy to use. The cons are, nothing. You can download the app from Google Play Store. Number 1 is Pixelab. This app is used by professional. Those who have expert in creating good logos and having good knowledge of the application can use the app. This app is best way to create a professional logos in Android. The pros are, the best editing app ever. The cons are, some knowledge is required to use the app. The app is available in Play Store. Leave a comment below, which app do you like? Thanks for watching.